Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Audi RS7 in Forza Horizon 5. The primary way to acquire this sleek vehicle is through the Festival playlist. This special car has been featured as a reward in past series, specifically Series 12 and Series 21. To unlock it, you needed to participate in various seasonal events and accumulate enough points. Keep an eye on future festival playlists, as cars often return. During its appearances, the Audi RS7 Sportback was usually unlocked by earning 20 points within a specific season of the festival playlist. These points come from completing a variety of activities, including races, speed zones, danger signs, and other seasonal challenges. It's crucial to check the festival playlist each week to see what events are available and which cars are up for grabs, ensuring you don't miss out. If you miss the Audi RS7 in the festival playlist, your next best option is the auction house. This is where other players sell their cars, including rare ones like the RS7. Be prepared, as its exclusivity means it often sells for a high price, typically between 10 million and 20 million credits. You might need to practice sniping, which means quickly buying a car the moment it's listed at a good price. To successfully add the Audi RS7 to your garage, consistently save your credits for those big auction house bids. Also, make it a habit to complete all seasonal events in the festival playlist. You never know when the RS7 might return as a reward. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Happy hunting, and I hope you get to enjoy driving this fantastic car soon.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.